It looks like you're having some trouble with the interval notation, so I'm just going to go through how to do it because it looks like you've been working on your own, like on your own time. So this way you can look at it and see if you need help tomorrow. All right, so you want to try to figure out, solve this inequality. So the first thing you're going to do is set up the equation, and you're going to go through and solve it. Okay, keep in mind that there's an and here because that will make a difference about what you do. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is just solve both equations, both inequalities. All right, so you have these two pieces right here. So what we're going to do is graph them on the same line. All right, so x is less than -5 would be like right here, going to the left. And then we have x is greater than or equal to -2. So because this one was a less than, it's going to be an open circle. Because the other one was greater than or equal to, it's going to be going this way and be a closed circle. All right, so because this is and nothing overlaps, your answer is going to be no solution. All right, so this is one you can try that's very similar. Actually, you know what? Let me go through because it might overlap. All right, so if it overlaps, it's going to be a little different answer. All right, so 4w plus 2 is less than or equal to -2, and -3w is less than or equal to -12. All right, I'm going to solve that real quick and then come back on. Now remember, when you're dividing by a negative, so in this case you're dividing by a -3, you're going to switch the sign. So this becomes greater than or equal to. All right, so we're going to graph it again. We've got -1 and we've got 4. So -1 is less than or w is less than or equal to -1, so it's going to look like this. And then w is greater than or equal to 4. So again, there is no overlap. And the answer is no solution. All right, so looking at this next one, E and F are sets of real numbers defined as follows. Okay, so what that is giving you is it is giving you what you need to write on the number line. So y is less than 2 and y is greater than or equal to 6. So it wants you to show this one and this one. So the way that I remember what this sign means is that it's kind of like a frowny face. So this is only where the lines overlap. Okay, this one is going to be all possible. So this one's like your or, this one's like your and. Okay, so in this case, this one's going to be no solution because there is no overlap. Okay, this one's going to be -infinity to +2, or 6 to infinity. Okay, solve the compound inequality. Okay, these are the same things. If you want to try these and then Let me know if you have questions tomorrow. That's fine.